if your brain plays tricks on you? What if there is something there or someone is talking to you, but in reality it's not? Well, the situation involves hallucination. Well, how does that happen? Alright, before learning that, we need to learn about something in our brain called salience.
Salience refers to the process by which the brain determines what is important or relevant in our environment. It helps us focus on meaningful stimuli while ignoring irrelevant information. For example, spotting a bride on the street on your usual path or noticing a briefcase containing $10,000 is more salient than seeing a wallet with $20. Different things are salient to different people, but what they have in common is that salience triggers dopamine in the brain's desire circuit, the mesolimbic pathway, which is the shorter path. Remember from my last video? This response tells the person to pay attention. In a healthy brain, dopamine levels rise in response to important stimuli, guiding both attention and motivation. Essentially, it highlights what is important out of our everyday environment. But what if the salience mechanism malfunctions? Consider a person who attaches deep meaning to random events, like interpreting a stop sign as a signal from aliens telling them to stop. This means the brain assigns too much importance to irrelevant stimuli. Another example is a person whose brain may incorrectly interpret internal thoughts as external voices, leading them to believe that gods are speaking to them directly, while others do not hear these voices. Additionally, someone might overinterpret a stranger's glance, thinking it carries a hidden message, or believe that a random number on a billboard is a personal sign. They might feel that insignificant events are directed at them. With all these examples in mind, hallucinations, delusions, paranoia, and disorganized thinking are believed to be caused by excess dopamine activity in the mesolimbic pathway, the shorter path. This overactivity of dopamine may lead to abnormal salience processing, resulting in schizophrenia with positive symptoms. The dysregulation of dopamine in schizophrenia can be influenced by genetics, stress, drug use, such as amphetamines, which increase dopamine, and neurodevelopmental abnormalities. A common delusion among people with schizophrenia is the belief that people on television are speaking directly to them. On the other hand, there is another form of schizophrenia characterized by low dopamine activity. In such cases, the brain struggles to differentiate between what is different or important, making familiar environments feel alien. Symptoms like social withdrawal, lack of motivation, and reduced emotional expression are associated with low dopamine activity in the mesocortical pathway, the longer path, particularly in the prefrontal cortex.